Okay, so few more things regarding functions. So by definition, there are two important things: parameter and argument. Okay, so please focus on that. When I'm using these terms, I will be talking about these terms only, using these terms. Okay, I will only be referring to these terms, so you should be able to identify what are parameters, what are arguments. So parameter is a function input when we define the function definition. So when you are creating a function using a keyword def, double is the name of the function, and whatever you define inside these brackets are referred as parameters. Okay, so here there is only one parameter which is named x. I can have multiple parameters separated by comma, x, comma y, comma z, or whatever. Okay, I can give a meaningful name, like a name of person separated by underscores. Okay, argument is a term that is used when we call a function, is used for a value when we call a function. Okay, so here I'm calling this function with its name, and I'm passing this value 3. Okay, so 3 I could have passed like 4 or 10 or whatever. Okay, so this is what we call the argument. It is important to remember also from the upcoming quiz today. Argument can be an expression, however parameter cannot. Why? Because, so for example here, look here, when I'm calling this function with this value, what happens is it is assigned to this variable x. Okay, if I simplify it further, it will become x equal 4. Okay, so again 4 is argument and x is parameter. Okay, I can have, if I simplify this expression, I can have 4 plus 3. Okay, this is a valid expression, but I can never have x plus 2 equal 4. Okay, this is invalid expression. We cannot assign a value 4 to x plus 2. So that is why the list of parameters can never have an expression. Okay, you can never have an expression. However, you can pass something like this: 4 plus 2. Okay, or 4 plus, let's say, a, assuming that a must have been defined somewhere in your code. Okay, so argument is the right hand side of an equation, of a statement, and right hand side can only have an expression, not the left hand side.